Families and friends, it's your boy Kwasikos. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to develop a social media web application. But first and foremost, I would want to apologize for some time now being absent and not creating videos as you expected. All right, so this year I've placed it upon myself to make as much as a lot of videos as I can. All right, so without less I talk, I want to start demonstrating what we will be accomplishing in this particular series. All right, so this particular video series is supposed to teach you guys on how to develop a social media web application just like Facebook, X, and Instagram. But then I promise you, this video is not just like the ones you see on YouTube. This is a whole lot of mood. It's got a lot into it. You're going to, by the end of this course, you're going to learn how to actually work with Laravel and React together. All right, so this particular course, the main stack we are going to use is Laravel for the backend and ReactJS for the front end. So I would want to demonstrate the authentication system, and in the next video, I talk about the home page and the profile page. Or neither than that, I would want to do it step by step. So I will talk about the authentication now. In this video, I'm going to talk about the home page, and then next, I'm going to talk about the profile. Then we start working from there. All right. So this is what you should expect from the teachings, right? So here you have your registration, your login system, where a user can actually log in to his password if he has an existing account. If the user has not, like if the user does not key in a validated email, we do a server-side check. That means we don't even wait for you to make a request to the server. We do it at, I mean the client side. We do a client side check, right? So you can see that here it tells you that valid email or phone number. So you can see here is not a valid email, and if I select here too, it tells me that forgot your password, which I have not forgotten my password. All right, so let's get on with it. Okay, so I would want to demonstrate the authentication system, the whole authentication system to you. But before I start doing the teaching or the demonstration, I would want to talk about social media web application, which we'll be doing all our discussion and everything, which is called Trends Hub. So you can see that trendshub.live. This is actually the link to. I'm going to put a link to visit the application down there in the video description. So when you go there, you can actually search for my username, which is Quisikos. So you can see Quisikos here. You can see Quisikos here. So you follow me. You go to Quisikos and you follow me at Trends Hub. So you'll be getting all the updates. And if you have any challenges, you can post it at Trends Hub, and I'll be very happy to assist you. When you post it now, you're getting your reply. That is what I mean. All right, so here let's try and sign up a new user so we see how it works like. So I'm going to press create an account, and you can see how it is. All right, so here I'm supposed to key in my name, which I'm going to put the test, put another test here, and here I'm supposed to key in my email. So here I would have to key in a validated email because I would be asked to actually validate my email to see if it is right. I'm going to use a quick course, and I'm going to choose a password. All right, so your password too, it has to match. So you realize that if this password does not match this one, gives me an error that the password does not match. All right, when I match it, I don't get any error. Right, here I'm supposed to select my date of birth. So this is just everything that you need to start up, and this is going to give you a clear understanding about how Laravel works and how React, like how they work together, how efficient when you collaborate these two powerful programming languages. They really help, right? So I'm going to choose my gender, whether I'm going to choose a male, and here you can choose to view your terms and conditions, but then I want to sign up. I will see how it looks like. All right. So I think there's a problem here. Okay, basically you let me put it on the mobile view so that we sign up there. Okay. Right, so actually we're getting an error that sorry, you are underage, not join trends up. Basically we did it age restriction, so you can actually remove this age restriction as we proceed or as we are having the lecture. I'm actually going to choose this age rather. Let me sign up. Let's see how it works. So we're on the age. We choose another date. We're getting the same error. Let me refresh and get back. And as you can see, it's super mobile responsive. So on all the mobile devices, you can see how super mobile responsive it is. Let me sign up the user again. That's, um, that's me now. Like that's me now. You know, all right. That's me now. Surname, right? And I'm going to choose I'm going to choose an email, which I'm going to use a valid email because I'm going to be asked to authenticate my email. And here I'm going to actually use a password. A password. All right, let me choose a password. So here, use my date of birth. Right, just for testing sake. Sign up and let's see what we have. All right, so let's wait as it proceeds. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. So it's telling me that the record provided already exists in the database. It's not right. Already registered. All right. So now I've registered into the application successfully. So if you check into the database now, you're going to see the record that we just keyed in the database. When you come here and check the users, you're going to see this is the username we used, the first name, right? Okay, so let me just close this and refresh the page and try and log in and let's see what we have. Okay, so the email we used Quizzicals, right? Was and here we let me just key in the wrong password so that we see what we have. So when the password is wrong, it just gives you invalid credentials, right? So let me just key in the right one so that we see what we have. You could remember that I have not validated my email. So the fact that I've not validated my email, it's redirect me to this page and tells me that thank you for your registration. The verification key has been dispatched to your email address, and it calls the email address the um of which the link has been sent to, right? So for some reasons, I'm not going to open my Gmail, so I'm going to pause the video and actually reset or do all the necessary stuff and I'll get back to you. All right, guys, so I've actually validated my email, so let's go back to the let's go back to our port. So you can realize that I've now registered my email, so the system sees me as an authenticated user. So the moment I visit the main route, I am redirected to the home page. I'm redirected to the home page. So basically, this is the home page. This is what you'll be building by the end of this course. You can see here where users can actually upload their status, and you press this link. You see this nice card where users can actually upload their status. I'm not going to talk about the home page now. I'm going to do it in the next video. So please stay tuned as we proceed. And if there is any question, you can actually post it down there in the comment section. And don't forget to sign up to Trends Hub because that is where we will be having all our discussion and all the necessary stuff. Thank you very much for watching this video.